Items to plant in the spring. These are fruits and vegetables that you can plant in the spring and start harvesting them in the summer. Hello everybody, welcome to 7 Savings Garden. Here we talk about gardening, ways to save money and other special events. So today I'm going to show you some of the items they have already here at Walmart that you can plant now and you should be able to start eating them in the summer. Here we have asparagus. You can plant them now and you should be able to start harvesting and enjoying them in the summer. And there are different varieties or different colors of asparagus that you can plant. And this is purple. And there are most of these over here are like $3, so you can definitely get a full bed of different things that you can plant right now. Here you have garlic. Garlic is best to plant it like in the fall, but if you didn't plant it in the fall, you can still plant it early in the spring and should still be able to harvest the leaves in the summer and some of the garlic bulbs in the later part of the summer. So potatoes, you can also plant potatoes. They should be able to do well in the spring and be able to start harvesting them in the summer. And these already started sprouting already. I have another video that shows you how to plant potatoes. I'll see if I can put the links to that below, or check the top right. So here we have different variety of potatoes that you can definitely plant. Here you have rhubarb, and like I said, most of these are $3, so that's definitely great. You have the roasted potato on the right, you have this rhubarb, and you have onions. These are some onions that you can definitely plant them right now. Most of them are easy to plant. I have another video that shows you how to do that. All you need to do is just make a little hole and put them in either in containers or in the garden, and they should still do well in the cold weather. Some of them started sprouting already. Yeah, like I said, I have another video that shows you how to plant onions. I'll see if I can put the links to those below. If not, but just check my channel. You should be able to see those. They're very easy to plant, and you can harvest the leaves in the summer. You can harvest the onions themselves in the summer. So and there are different varieties and different colors. So something that you can think about, that you can decide what you want to do. Here is rhubarb, and they are in a pot like this. So all you have to do is open it and just get the various seeds that are in there that you need to plant. And this is the yellow onion. You have the yucca, and you have strawberries here. Strawberries are the same thing. They're easy to plant, and they have roots, tubers in them, or little that you just have to separate and plant them, and they should start doing well in the spring. Let me know in the comments below if you've planted something like this last year or the previous year here, and let me know how it went. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and happy growing.